Ever wonder how Netflix knows exactly what show you'll binge next, or how that email lands in your inbox with your name on it at the perfect moment when you're thinking about buying those shoes? Well, that's AI in action, and it's completely transforming how we market. And here's the kicker. This powerful tech, well, it's not just for the big guys anymore. It's a game changer for small businesses and solo marketers just like yourself. Hey there, I'm Allen Stafford, and welcome to Marketing Binder, where we break down marketing strategies that actually work for real businesses like yours. And in just a few minutes, what I'm going to do is demystify AI in marketing for you. We're going to cover three things, okay? What AI actually is in simple terms, how marketers are using it right now to get real results, and most importantly, why you should absolutely care, especially if you're running a small business or you're a marketer yourself. So by the end of this video, you'll see AI isn't some scary robot takeover. It's your new secret weapon. All right, let's start with the basics. So what is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, basically refers to computer systems that can learn, analyze, and make decisions, similar to how a human might, but much, much faster. Think of it as having a really smart assistant who never sleeps and can process thousands of pieces of information in seconds. Now, let's look at a few key AI concepts that are super relevant for us marketers. First, there's machine learning. And this is AI that gets smarter by looking at data, like how Spotify learns your music taste by tracking what you skip versus what you actually replay. And then second, there's natural language processing. This is AI that understands and writes text. It's like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity. It's what powers those chatbots that sound human, not like robots. And third, predictive analytics. This is AI that makes educated guesses about the future based on patterns, like predicting which customers are most likely to buy your product next month. So in marketing terms, this means AI can automatically write headlines that convert better, chat with your customers when you're sleeping, and even predict which products someone's going to click on before they even know it. So how are marketers actually using this AI stuff right now? Well, let me show you. With email marketing, you see AI writes subject lines that get opened more, personalizes content for each subscriber to boost engagement, and even determines the best time to hit send for each person, improving your campaign results. And with social media, AI creates post ideas, writes captions, schedules content at optimal times to maximize reach, and even generates images that match your brand. And then there's advertising. You see AI finds your perfect customers, automatically adjusts your bids in real time to save you money, and creates ad variations that perform better than anything you could write manually. And then for your website, AI chatbots handle customer questions 24/7. They recommend products like a personal shopper to help increase average order value and optimize your pages for better conversions. And then SEO. You see, AI generates blog topics, writes content outlines, and even creates entire articles optimized for search engines, driving more organic traffic to your site. You see, the beautiful thing? Well, AI touches every part of your marketing funnel, from awareness all the way to customer retention. Now, you might be thinking, well, this sounds expensive and complicated, but here's why you should absolutely care about this. First, AI saves you massive amounts of time and money. Tasks that used to take hours now take minutes. I'm talking about, writing email campaigns, creating social media content, analyzing customer data. It's all automated. And second, it increases accuracy and personalization. AI doesn't get tired like some employees. It doesn't make typos either, and can personalize content for hundreds of customers simultaneously, making your marketing feel more one-on-one. And third, it makes small teams look big. You can compete with companies that have entire marketing departments, because AI is like having a team of specialists working around the clock. And the best part? Getting started with AI doesn't always mean expensive tools or needing a tech genius. See, many powerful AI solutions are surprisingly affordable and user-friendly with little to no tech experience required. And here's the real talk. Your competitors, well, they're already using this stuff. AI isn't just for Silicon Valley unicorns anymore. It's actually for you, the small business hustler trying to grow smarter, not just harder. But the good news is it's not too late to get started and even get ahead. The businesses that embrace AI marketing now are going to have a massive advantage over those who wait. So don't get left behind. So if this opens your eyes to what's possible with AI in marketing, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click the notifications bell so you don't miss what's next. You see, I've got an entire series coming where I'll show you exactly how to use AI tools to level up your marketing game. We're talking specific tools, step-by-step tutorials, and real examples you can use for your own business. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and tell me what's the biggest marketing challenge you're facing right now. I'll make sure to address it in upcoming videos. And until next time, keep marketing smarter, not harder. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.